Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can pay OnlyFans with Apple Pay. To be straightforward from the start, OnlyFans don't accept Apple Pay. They only accept Visa and MasterCard. They also don't accept prepaid gift cards or PayPal or anything of the sorts like that. So the alternative I can offer you is by going to your Apple Pay, transferring that onto your Visa or MasterCard debit card, and from there you use that to pay for OnlyFans. I advise you to keep monitoring the OnlyFans. Maybe sometimes in the future they'll allow payment methods for Apple Pay or maybe even PayPal if you also like to use that. But for now, the only method you can do is transfer your funds from Apple Pay onto a Visa or a MasterCard debit and then use that to pay for OnlyFans instead.